In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook. This content isn't available right now. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that the URL you're using is correct, because sometimes if you're trying to enter a Facebook page or a post that has been deleted, you might get this error. Now, after that, if it's still not working and you made sure it's correct, you want to come here on Facebook and click on this. Go to Cookies and Site Data, Manage on Device Site Data, and then you want to delete everything saved in here. Now keep in mind this might log you out of your account, so make sure you know your password. Delete all the ones you have here. If you have more, then just delete all of them and press Done. After that, come here and go to Site Settings. This will take you to the Facebook site settings, and what you want to do here is you want to press Delete Data. Once you've done all of this, you want to close down your browser, and then you want to try and relaunch it. If that still doesn't work for some reason, it might be your internet connection. So try and turn your internet on and off. You can do that by going here, search for View, Network Connections, right click, Disable, and then right click Enable. Now if that still doesn't work for some reason, you should go and turn off your router and then turn it back on to reset your internet. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.